This is a pile of partial gallons. You guys know that we're moving. A couple weeks ago, I told you that we had a whole collection of partial leftovers from videos, and we did a video combining a bunch of those. I told you, if you want to see more, you gotta let me know. And a whole bunch of you let me know loud and clear that you want to see us use more of these partials in random combinations and mixtures. So today, we are doing a world's first for DipYourCar. I have 2 partial gallons that we're gonna mix for our base color. And then we have 3 partial gallons that we're gonna mix for our top coat. That means 2 spraying portions in one video. We've never done that before. No. So not only are we gonna go through this together and mix this, then we're gonna spray the base, then we're coming back and we're gonna do this. You're gonna get so much of us today, you're gonna be sick of us. So let's put the pearl gallons aside. I don't wanna spoil that. You'll have to wait to see what we got cooking there. But as far as our base, we thought, man, why not, instead of using an avalanche gray or a black base, let's mix the base. So here we've got a gallon of Army Green Performance Series, and here we've got a gallon of Super Marine Blue Performance Series. Those are what's gonna be mixed together for our base. So let's pop this ancient gallon open. As you can see by the lid here, it's been there for a while. This is a 2022 gallon of Army Green. And let me show you what Army Green looks like. Really metallic, dark, kind of aggressive military green. You wanna do a 1-to-1?
Sure.
Okay. So here's about half Army Green. And then here is Super Marine Blue. We shook the heck out of these before we started filming, don't worry. And I'm sure they needed it. Okay, see if you can get this one open. Okay, also very rusty, been around for a while. Here's Super Marine Blue, one of our most popular colors. Metallic, but super dark, deep blue there. That's gonna be going right into the Army Green.
It's probably one of my favorite blues.
Oh yeah. The question is one gonna overpower the other? And it doesn't look like it will. I think we're gonna end up, if the top is any indication, with a really deep, highly metallic, well, tealish. It looks like it's mixing from the top down.
I don't see any change on the side.
I know. The top is completely different, I promise. This might take me a second. Let's get the cardio in for the day. Okay, so yeah, let me show you at least what the top is doing. Why does it look so different? I'm gonna screw the video up, but see the side? And then you see the top, side, top. Makes absolutely no sense. So I don't know if the green is just sticking to the side, but I promise they're blending. So here's what our base is gonna look like. You never really know until it dries, but like a very deep metallic teal, what would you even call this?
It's almost like Nest bluish.
Yeah, it almost has a Nest blue vibe. So it's a greenish, bluish, and again, once that dries, we'll get a really good idea, but this is gonna be our base. So Super Marine Blue, Army Green coming together for the base, phase 1. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. We're back. So our base is down, 50% Super Marine Blue, 50% Army Green, and I gotta say, both Gabe and I are very happy with this base. The coolest part is we got a base color that we've never had. So this is the only way to make this base color. Great start. Now it's time for the pearl top coat. So we've got 3 different partials here. Let me walk you through what we're using. We've got ZGZ Hypershift, which I have no idea what that is. Do you?
Kind of has that gray silver tone on that main panel, and then greens coming off of it.
We have, oh gosh, we have a mix here of when we mixed ZBB, black to blue, and ZBR, black to red. So 2 hypershifts in one, which we didn't really plan for. And then we have ZTW, which again, I don't even know what the heck that is. Okay, great. Good start. Okay, 1 to 1 to 1.
Yeah.
So this is going to be technically 4 different hypershifts in a bit of a medley over a one-off base coat. It doesn't get cooler than that. All right, so this one is the ZTZ interference style, so you're not going to see much until it gets over a darker base. Should I pop off a little stick of truth on that one just to show? Let me see. Yeah, so this is that green, and then it has like some plum purples at the extremes, and then it has like a pewter, silverish, brownish, I don't know. I have no idea what we're doing. All right, ZBB, ZBR, so black to blue, red to black in a combo, going in. All right. I don't know if those 2 are going to play too well together. A lot of glitter effect there. Let me show you what this one's doing, just so you can see it. Yeah, it's super deep. Those ZB pearls are always going to be really deep until you get them full scale. And then we have ZTW, which I know, here's what I know. We used it in a video, and it's not on the website. We do not carry it, which means we either weren't super impressed by it or totally forgot about it and should have ordered it. I don't know what this is. Oh, hold on. Maybe we made a mistake. That is a gorgeous color. Okay. Let's get that in there.
I was wondering if that one was closer to like ZTN, to where we were like, I don't know.
There we go. Okay. Let's stir this up a little bit. I can tell there's some things happening in there. I don't know if the ultra dark tones from the ZB combination are going to be able to survive, but those don't really do much until they go over black. So let's get a stick of truth in there and see what we got. Totally translucent on the stick. And in here, oh yeah, there's a lot happening. Not sure how to describe it, but there's a little bit of that going on, a little bit of this going on, like this and that. All right, either way, all of this going on top of all of this. You ready? Round 2, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, the reason why we all love doing experiments like this is because we have no idea what the end result is going to be. That's why it's so much fun. And I'll tell you right now, I couldn't be more excited to show you how the car looks. We're going to take it outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think. Do you love it? Do you not love it? Rate it for me, 1 through 5. And if you want to change the color of your own car, whether it's with peelable paint or permanent paint, we have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they are all do-it-yourself friendly. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had an absolute blast on this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.